Ambuja Cements MD on Weed, who has been driving the restructuring of Ambuja and ACC, has offered to resign. Nisha Poddar has more details on the story. Nisha, what are your sources telling you?
Tanveer, sources with direct knowledge share with me at this point that the man at ACC and Ambuja, the man in charge of the entire restructuring at Holcim in India of the group companies, One van der Wisde, has offered to resign from the company. In fact, sources with direct knowledge share with me that he has stopped operations. He has offered his resignation. That, of course, has not been accepted so far, is what sources with direct knowledge share at this point. There could be two reasons that are being cited by the people who are in the know of the situation. One, of course, is the major restructuring that has been embarked upon by Holcim India in India, by Holcim parent company, which is for Ambuja Cements to use up its 3,500 crore rupees of cash to be given to the parent company and buy out the group company in India, which is ACC India, and hold 50% stake in the company. So that had not gone down well with the investors, that had raised concerns, but nonetheless they did get the majority. So that could be one of the reasons, and the other reason could be the management rejig at the top at Holcim India, where probably One was not getting the position that he already wanted, and there was another person that has been brought in to be in charge of Asia as far as the Holcim operations are concerned. So those are some of the concerns which could have led to this, but the big reason, big takeaway from this is that there could be some uncertainty regarding ACC and Ambuja Cements right now, because the top man who is driving the whole restructuring for the group and was talking to the investors, convincing them, has offered to resign from the company.